My people, how na day? My name na AU David. Now I'm Yalo Kwan. I could do y'all. No better go himself. They say na respect na make foul the better if you reach the mouth, not because they foul to reach the mouth. And waiting the dog do for where yam dey, na make them the pursue dog for band. Not be say dog is dey eat yam. While when they Benin don't tire up. Many things don't they happen for Benin now. This period, it don't they go different way. The way one we not expect and either they go now. The thing don't happen so they don't they trouble to themselves. In fact, bomb don't they explode for Benin now as I talk to you. Meanwhile, before we go to the bomb side, the governor of Edo State don't come out talk and say maybe the governor of Edo State say if Oshomole don't take time, he will deal with us governor of Edo State. Make Oshomole make it behave himself. If he not behave himself, this time around he go deal with us. Say Oshomole, the time Oshomole be governor, say what Oshomole they do not fear, not will let anybody do one. Say this period, no Oshomole take time. Oshomole and people, if not, he go deal with them. Now so now come. And before even they talk this one, he don't already call say make they arrest Oshomole. You don't tell police, tell DSS, tell everybody say make they arrest Oshomole. If this is not lie, now they talk or me they form this one. Okay, make you listen to the governor when governor they talk about himself.
We are warning the suspended national chairman. If he continues with his activities in Edo State, I will show him that I am the governor of Edo State. Because while he was governor, he will not tolerate a fraction of the misdemeanors and misbehavior he is undertaking today. So I have decided and declared that if Comrade Oshomole comes here to our state to say he wants to disrupt the activities of the state or the party, we will deal with him the way we know how best to.
If you not hear them, not because not be say I just they carry talk this one. See, for the arrest when they say make the arrest them, you go think because you not hear for governor now you go think okay maybe you look to what Shaibu go do for Abuja.
The issue of violence in Edo State, like let me just tell you, I am in Abuja not only to attend this meeting, I'm also in Abuja to meet with the IG. I have a petition to the IG and to the director of SSS to the effect that Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole should be arrested by the police and be arrested by the State Security Service for the breakdown of law and order that are continually perpetrated in Edo State. We banned rallies. The IG also gave a letter also suspending rallies. Oshomole continually disobeyed the order of the state government, disobeyed the order of the IG, and feel that it's above the law. And for us, we have officially come now to drop our petition with the IG to the effect that Oshomole is not above the law. He should be arrested for violating the state government order. He was a governor before, and he knows that nobody will violate his order as a governor because it's not about him, it's about the state. When nobody else, when everybody disobey laws, the country and the state will become a banana republic. God forbid. And that is why we are saying that the IG and the Inspector General of Police and the Director of State Security Service should arrest him and interrogate him for breaching peace and disobeying government orders and security orders for rallies. So for us, when a national chairman, though suspended now, of a ruling party continually disobey law, when opposition chairmen do the same, he becomes a reference point. So that is why we are here to submit, that is why I'm here on behalf of the state government to submit a petition to the IG to the effect that the suspended chairman, Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole, be arrested and prosecuted for breaching the peace of Edo State.
Now the wahala when they do not be this one. as we dey talk this one, and one of the fashion wey be say dey Shomole side, the man wey be say na him be the secretary, na the man he can't come out, he can't talk and say Obaseki wan kill am, say Obaseki don first talk and say he go kill all of them, he go destroy them, he go make sure say he tell them say na governor, say the bomb wey explode for your house, in case you never know, bomb will explode for your house on Monday. Yes, on Monday 10th, on Monday 10th, February 2020. See, bomb will explode for your house. The bomb will explode for your house, say, na Obaseki, na he send people made them do one. Say, for your compound, the control bomb put. Say, na Obaseki, don't they accuse Obaseki now, say, Obaseki, na he talk and say, he go kill all of them. Say, na Obaseki. My people, we dey talk this matter when the thing dey start small. They don't want to listen to us. We dey talk and say, make them remove monkey hand from soup before it turn to pikin o. Say before a monkey hand when it dey soup turn to human being, make them remove am from soup. They don't be remove am. This one now, the matter don't reach the essence wey be say they don't dey threaten their whole life, their self. Say bomb. They accuse governor of throwing bomb, and governor they come and say na Oshomole people now they know how. I don't understand that. Now they know how they take the carry gun, they take they do this, they do that. Say now Oshomole people now they go ask. Oshomole, make me ask you one question. You never rule your own finish. Wait till you live for government house when you define. Leave these people, make they do their own, make they still come out. Obaseki, I want to ask you another one. Because say you na governor, come me say you go, everybody go die. You get some statement when you are not even supposed to use. When I know they use all this statement, at the end of the day, una party say hate speech. Say we they talk anything we say we not good, una go say we say hate speech. Now we see the one way they come out for our mouth. I beg, those states not be una own. They vote to na, in fact, no, una carry on self put for there. Make una take rule the people. Na rule na the rule, na not the govern. Na rule na the rule. Una say una make una rule the people because una know how una take reach there. Now, make una do the thing, leave and come up for there because those states not be una own. We dey beg una. If una don't tire, make una leave and for us. It not be una own. APC I beg, we dey beg una. Una come power, una still come up for power. Those states will remain. In fact, Nigeria go remain. Make una take it easy now. I beg. We dey beg una. Now work una supposed to dey work. But now fight una dey fight. I beg. My people, una know say as I know and reach now they talk and reach. I beg. How una see this matter? Leave your comment for the downside. Waiting they happen for a door now, it good. Court is the key themselves. This one they happen, this one they happen. This one good. Really leave the comment in the comment section. And you will never subscribe. I don't offend you before. I beg. Subscribe, Subscribe. God bless you.